that I wanted was to be with you tonight. Have watched love get closer and then fade away. Have seen you believe in me, have seen you try to stay. But what good is holding on? And when you know, and all you can think about is letting go. They say if you love someone, then set them free. And if they come back again, and in the end it was meant to be, I thought we were lovers, I thought we were friends. I guess when reality steps in, the dreaming ends. We live for the future, we've learned from the past. No matter how hard we try, some good things never last. And all you can think about is letting go. Be true to yourself, my love. That's all I ever wanted you to be. Just don't forget to smile when you think of me. I'd reach for the stars, I've got them inside. To someone who really needs me out there in the night. To live for the future, we will learn from the past. No matter how hard we try, some good things never